Hello, I'm John Kushla, Professor and Extension Forestry Specialist with Mississippi State University. And today I'm going to be talking to you about this wonderful, fantastic time of year, fall, and why tree leaves change color. Now, Mississippi has a lot of hardwood forests. And hardwoods in our temperate climate, because we have freezing temperatures in the winter, grow expendable leaves. So what happens? The tree grows the leaf in the spring, and it's green. And that's because it has chlorophyll, which does something fantastic to make life possible here on Earth. Chlorophyll can convert the solar energy of the sun into chemical energy contained in sugars. And it uses carbon dioxide and water to do that. And so the tree is making sugars all year long, all summer long, But because this leaf is thin and full of moisture, come fall, with freezing temperatures, the leaf is going to die, and so the tree discards that leaf. Now, as dormancy is triggered, chlorophyll production stops. And then the wonderful colors that we see in the fall are revealed. What we're looking at now are sugars that are in the leaf. They're there all summer long. We just don't see them because there's so much chlorophyll. Anthocyanins are red in color, red and purple. Carotenoids are yellow to orange in color. And so different proportions of these sugars give us different colors of leaves of the tree species. But what triggers this dormancy? We may think it's the chill in the air this time of year, especially at night, but it's not. Trees have an internal clock, so to speak. They can tell the relative length of day and night. This is called photoperiod. And as the days get shorter, the trees recognize this and start preparing for dormancy. And by doing that, they stop making chlorophyll and absorb as many of the nutrients out of the leaf before letting it drop. Now, what's the best weather for fall colors? Well, bright sunny days, clear, cool nights. The cool night temperatures slow down the movement of sugars out of the leaf into the tree. And so colors linger for several days to a couple of weeks. Different. Now, weather like dry weather in the summer can postpone leaf color change. And if we have very rainy weather in the fall, like we did last year, we may never really experience the peak color time because it's not the best weather for the colors of fall. Now, different tree species have different clocks set, and so they drop their leaves at slightly different times. For instance, black gum, persimmon, sumac are among the first trees to drop leaves in the fall. And they generally produce a lot of anthocyanins, which are red to purple in color. Later come our hickories, cottonwood, yellow poplar. They have a lot of carotenoids, and so their leaves are yellow to gold in color. Red maple and dogwood have a lot of anthocyanins, so their leaves are red to purple in color. Sweet gum has some of all of the sugars, and so their leaves are variegated colors of yellow, orange, red, purple. Oaks, a little bit more fleeting. They'll produce We'll see the colors of the anthocyanins in the oaks, deep red to purple. But because oaks have a lot of tannin, as the sugars are removed, the tannins remain and they're brown. Where can you go to see the wonderful colors of fall? The Trace Parkway, which runs all the way across Mississippi, goes through a lot of hardwood forest. And it runs from the northeast corner in Tishomingo County all the way down to the southwest corner in Natchez. We also have several state parks here in northeast Mississippi which have a lot of hardwood forests, and these include Tishomingo State Park, J.P. Coleman, Tom Bigby State Park, as well as Trace State Park outside of Pontotoc. So get out, enjoy the fantastic, beautiful fall colors. This is John Kushla. Take care.